I'm gonna show you the very nice car. This man right here is very good. See, it's a very nice car. How do? What's your name, huh?
Anthony.
Anthony, how do? I just messed up his morning. He's all confused. Who's? I thought I was meeting with Mike. Who's this fob? As usual, the grand tour of the facility. That's our resident gamer, Robert. That's our resident John. It's just John. This is my new fan company.
Really?
The Subaru started the channel. Straight from Japan overnighted. This is my GTR. Mine's like anorexic compared to his. So Nicole is not a huge car person, but she can at least identify pretty cars. Hey, oh damn, it's quick. That's a cup kit, guys. That's pretty badass. This is a cup kit. It's different from my airlift, but it's actually pretty low still. Oh man. It's weird being in a GTR when I'm not driving. Never gets old. No. Never gets old. Oh, yeah. I was pressing random ass settings on my camera. It's fast, huh? Holy shit, the car is fast. It sounds good. Yeah? Sounds so good. Yeah? Yeah, I like it's a very different sound. Going drive-by? It's just random.
Probably thinks I fucking.
Oh, they crashed it. Oh my god, he crashed his car.
What motivates me is just the love for cars. I've always had a passion to modify cars. I mean, having a car is one thing, but modifying a car, essentially, it's yours. It's represents you, you know. My advice would be just work hard and just like focus on your career. That's the biggest thing. Focus on your career, what you want to do in life. We all have plans in our head, right? To the point where, oh, by this age I want to do this, by this age I want to do that. Just don't rush anything. Just take your time, focus, and you will eventually, everything will pay off.
What kind of cars do you have?
I have a G35 twin turbo. I have a 2015 STI stage 2, and I had a R32, which I got rid of, right-hand drive. My daily, my Silverado. So it's 2 inches wider, the whole car. So we ended up just bolting the rivets and extended the whole car 2 inches to 2 inches, which created this 2 inches bigger than a normal Rocket Bunny kit.
Fuck.
So it's actually, that's why it was really hard to make a fitment, because technically that's why I called it Rocket Bunny
+4.
This is a 3-piece wheel, but we, instead of having the rivets that match this, we got rid of everything. Put on the backside just to kind of match the whole car.
That's clean.
And then the factory, the manufacturer, Rocket Bunny comes with dimple dies.
Yeah.
So we kept the whole pattern along the side and then on the back, just to not make it too crazy, but just to give it a look. So there's a little pattern to it, you know?
That's not a little bit. So what we did off camera was talk about business and other stuff, dude. Really cool freaking story too. Super hard worker, a lot of life history that he doesn't share, but it's fucking amazing meeting people that have such great work ethic, but they don't even want to talk about it because they're so humble about it. Lunchtime. Filming makes me super exhausted. See, I'm on the scooter one-handed, which is dangerous. We're riding up to the GTR right now, which is right about here. You can see how skinny it is compared to the Rocket Bunny one. So after, you know, fun filming, we're back to normal grind. No more work. This is just my life. It's not like, you know, other YouTube videos where you see them like race cars all day and then that's it. We actually get back to work. I managed to make it home alive. I'm exhausted from filming and working. You guys know my work schedule is freaking insane. But if you guys really liked what you guys have been watching, I've been doing these, they're not even car reviews. I don't even consider them car reviews because they're more of the story of the driver, the owner, and how they got to this level. And it's not about their car, it's how they even got to their lives. And I kind of want to share it with you guys because I want to be able to enrich your lives through other people's knowledge and my own experience to show you that it's very possible to do certain things in life. You don't need to grow up rich. You just have to hustle and grind super hard. If you guys like what you saw, please comment below and hit the like button, subscribe, notification button too, and help spread the word. But besides that, I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna work. I actually haven't eaten lunch yet, and it's 3 o'clock already. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.